Ever wondered how often you should be going number 2 in a week? It's a question that might make you chuckle, but the answer has more to do with your health and well-being than you might think. Bowel movements, or the lack thereof, can be a clear indicator of your body's overall condition. This video is all about demystifying this topic, shedding light on what's normal, what's not, and why it matters. So buckle up. Stay tuned as we dive into the nitty-gritty of this often overlooked aspect of our health. To understand the significance of regular bowel movements, we first need to delve into the science behind it. The process starts in the mouth, where food is broken down into smaller pieces. As it travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, the food is further broken down by enzymes and stomach acids. From there, it enters the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. What's left, mostly water, indigestible fiber, and dead cells, moves into the large intestine, or colon. The colon absorbs the remaining water and transforms the waste into stool. The rectum, the final part of the digestive tract, stores the stool until it's ready to be expelled through the anus. That's a bowel movement in a nutshell. But the frequency and ease of these movements can be affected by a variety of factors. Things like diet, hydration, exercise, and even stress can play a part. For example, a diet rich in fiber can help form soft, bulky stool, making it easier to pass. On the other hand, a lack of physical activity can lead to constipation, making bowel movements less frequent and more difficult. So, as we can see, a number of factors can influence how often we go, but what's considered normal? Medical experts say that normal can range from 3 times a day to 3 times a week. Yes, you heard it right. What's considered normal in terms of bowel movements can differ greatly from person to person. For some, 3 times a day may be their regular routine, while others may find 3 times a week to be their norm. This wide range is due to various factors such as diet, exercise, hydration, and individual body functions. So, don't be alarmed if you fall anywhere within this spectrum. However, it's essential to be aware of what's typical for you. What might be a sign of a health issue then? Well, if you usually go 3 times a day and suddenly it drops to once a week or vice versa, that's when you might want to take note. Changes in consistency, color, or experiencing pain or discomfort should also be on your radar. Remember, what's most important is what's normal for you. Any sudden changes in your bowel habits could be a sign of something more serious and may warrant a visit to your doctor. So, to wrap up, we've explored the science behind bowel movements and delved into what is considered normal. We've underscored the importance of understanding your own body's rhythms. It's crucial to remember that these figures are not set in stone, and individual variations are perfectly normal. Regularity, consistency, and overall health should be the focus. In the end, it's not about hitting a specific number each week, but about understanding your own body and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.